all you have to do is just a little bit, Coda, pay attention. You just have to do a little bit of information, because when you write, this is all the information that you need. We start the day with breakfast and homeschooling, then lunch, a boat job or two while it's too hot to go outside, then our social time starts.
The last waffle, guys.
I'll have the seed.
Waffle Wednesdays.
Waffle Wednesdays.
Hey everyone, so the last time we left you were in the Whit Sundays and we were enjoying ourselves, and then since then we've had Christmas, which we did at Hamilton Island, and New Year's, which we watched the fireworks there as well, and then from there we sailed down as quick as we could to Mackay because of the upcoming storm, the Kirrily, which I can show you some footage of. So we're in Mackay Marina. We were planning on being down home at Mooloolaba by now, but with the way that the weather has been unpredictable and this cyclone that's been building up, we decided it was best to stay here for a couple of weeks and just have some fun. We dropped the cameras and weren't filming, but now I think with this cyclone Kirrily being named, it's time to pick up a camera and show you what it's like in the marina.
Yet again, we found ourselves preparing for the incoming cyclone. We provisioned with food and water just in case we weren't able to get to the supermarket after the storm. We doubled our lines, stowed away our loose items and ran a halyard down the headsail so that it was less likely to come free in high winds. Due to the uncertainty of what was to come and the possibility of a severe cyclone, we decided it was best for the kids and myself to hunker down in a nearby hotel while Bowen took care of our boat. Being so close by, however, afforded us the ability to come and go as we pleased, and we were still together for most of it. Luckily, Cyclone Kirrily didn't even really meet the hype that was predicted. We didn't break more than about 35 knots of wind and barely any rain, so the couple of nights in the hotel was more like a staycation than anything else. The kids even managed to get in some pool time during the cyclone, which I'm sure will stay in their memories for a long time.
But now we're really just settling into marina life, and I'll show you what a day in the life's like.
Being in a marina has definitely changed the vibe on Tayrona. For the first time since moving aboard, we've had a standard daily routine that doesn't change too much from day to day.
Oh, pull that out, that's rubbish. That shouldn't be in here. Is Dylan here?
No.
I don't see Dylan.
The monotony of marina life is a welcome change from constantly moving, worrying about the weather, crocodiles, jellyfish, and the constant anxiety that I have that comes with anchoring in new waters each day. Once that was all over, it was time to tick off some boat jobs, from the simple washing to installing styling, refitting our kitchen and restyling Harlow's room.
Nah, today we have the Corolla.
Is there much more?
Yeah, like maybe 3 meters.
Wait 1 second.
Done. Done.
Done. 2-second job that took all day. While the kids are keen to never leave the marina, we're starting to get an itch for some new adventure, and with our boat jobs slowly getting ticked off one by one, we're hoping it won't be too long before we're back out there on the water. If you're keen to stay updated on our travels, don't forget to like and subscribe.